And then last, the tracking code. You know, there's so much value in tracking everything you do. If you're in this for a quick buck, then you're probably going, I don't need to track anything. But if you're really trying to build a business, if you're trying to build a long-term strategy for making money, then you really need to include a tracking code. That way it'll show you what traffic comes to the landing page. You'll be able to see where the traffic goes from the landing page. You'll then be able to log into your affiliate sites or whatever and see how many sales. So you'll be able to see how much traffic went to the pages and how many sales you made. You'll be able to see basically what's working and what's not. One of the things we suggest in our training is that you create multiple squeeze pages. So maybe this one is set up on template 2, you create another one on template 2, and you change one thing, only one thing. Don't change a bunch of things, because then you don't know what made the difference. But for example, you could change the headline and promote both squeeze pages and find out, okay, if you sent 1,000 visitors to both squeeze pages, and then you go look at your autoresponder, make sure there's a segment there so you can know which one they signed up from, you could be able to say, okay, squeeze page 1, 1,000 visitors and I got 10 people on my list, or squeeze page 2 with the different headline, I got 1,000 visitors and I got 100 people on my list. So what are you going to do? Because you tracked it, you'll know that squeeze page 2 is working better, so then that becomes the one that you continue to use. Then obviously create another one, change something else, and see if you can get a better percentage than that. What we suggest is Google Analytics. It is free. It doesn't cost you anything other than the time to go sign up and get your link, and some of the how-to sections of our profile will tell you how to sign up and where to find this link. But then you can log into Google Analytics. You can use all of their tools to figure out exactly what your service is doing for you. When you're all done with everything on the page, you simply click Submit My Page, and then it will say, congratulations, your squeeze page was successfully created, and then you can view your squeeze page. And you can see a list of all the squeeze pages that have been created. Here is the one we just created. Template 2, the page titles, the bullets. And again, as I said, you can change any of this information. Just edit it, click the update. So for example, if you change tracking codes, put in your new tracking code, click update. If you change autoresponders, same thing. If you get your domain name, go ahead and put your domain name in. Here is what I was talking about. Here's the URL. It's very long. You can use it if you want, but it would be good if you had a domain name that you simply forwarded to this address. Let's go ahead and click the preview, and we can see what this looks like. And there you can see our headline, our bullet points, our autoresponder, footer, all the information provided. It's really that simple. And even though I was copying and pasting information over, you'll get into the swing of it where it is just so quick for you to be able to create these squeeze pages. Alright, now it's your turn. Go create a squeeze page, create 2 of them, change one thing, start tracking it, figure out what works for you, what doesn't work for you. You can use different videos. Maybe you do a video game squeeze page, and then you go find something else, find gardening or whatever, and find out which one's working best for you. So it's not just about multiple testing squeeze pages of the same type of video. Go try different categories, different tags, different video products or services, and go that route. Figure out what works best for you, collect the name and the email address, create a long-term relationship with those subscribers. And please, whatever you do, don't just spam and send out offer after offer after offer. Send out valuable content. And I promise you, if you add value to your subscriber list, your targeted subscribers, then you will definitely receive value back from them. All right. Thanks a lot. Have fun.